Welcome to TESOL International Conference website. We are very happy to see you at this conference. Now let me walk you through the registration process. Now, this part of the tutorial is for authors only. After this tutorial part, you will see instructions for reviewers and other conference roles. Okay, so to start submitting your abstracts to the conference, please go to our conference website at tiso.huflit.edu.vn. Click on the conference link. This year, the conference link is International TESOL Conference 2025. And go through the links on the left menu to get yourself familiar with the conference information. Now, before submitting an abstract, you need to have an account. So please go to the top right corner here, click on login, and then because we are now the first time user, click on create one here. Now put in your email address. There will be a verification link sent to the address, so make sure to check and double check your email address. Put in the captcha. If you cannot see this captcha very clearly, you can click on refresh to get a new captcha. Okay, this one is better for me, 6459, and then click on send me a verification email. Now, the system will send you a verification email to complete the registration process. That email may go to spam folder. So please check and double check the other folder beside your inbox. Now, in this case, the email goes the emails from HUFLIT INTESOL conference go straight into my inbox, but for some other people, it may go into the spam. So also check your spam folder. Now, I click on the verification link and complete the registration process with my first name. Okay, last name. I want my name to be in the Vietnamese order in the conference site, so I put it like this. And affiliation, usually that will be your university. And then create your username, for example. Okay, so this will be my login username. Password. Now, you are strongly advised to write the password down or put it in a secure place. Make sure you do not forget your password. Otherwise, you have to go through a lot of hassles, retrieving your password or creating a new password. Okay, so check username, password, and then click on create my INTESOL profile. Now my account is created, and if you scroll down and click on Call for Abstract, you can now submit the abstract to the conference. Now remember, you need to first submit your abstract, and only when your abstract is accepted, then you can submit your full paper. So first I submit my new abstract. Now before submitting your new abstract, click on this link, submission instructions, and make sure your abstract follow these guidelines. Right. Now this is the manuscript of the paper I'm going to send to the conference, for example. Yeah. Enhancing equity and impact in AI supported language education. So okay, let me copy this abstract and submit to okay this area. So the title of my abstract, the abstract content, the keyword too. So I should copy also the abstract and the keywords. Right. So keywords. And then I must also add authors. So if there are several authors to the paper, okay, ask each author to create their account in the system and then click here to search for the emails or the given names, and then add all of the other authors. In this case, I have, let's say, I add myself, and let me add another author. I search him by his email address. Okay, and that's the admin, also me anyway. So this is second author. I click here. Yeah, so there are two authors. And then who will be the presenter? Let's say I will be the presenter. Okay, and this will be the co-author. So I will be the main author. And the TSONet, Gmail will be the co-author, and I will do the presentation. And see if you want to say anything to the conference organizer, any comments, any suggestions, please put here. Let's say I need good internet connection. Thank you. Yeah, this presentation requires internet connection to demonstrate the AI tools. Then I click on the track that I want my conference to be in. Please select only one track. If you select multiple tracks, we have to decide which track you gonna go to. So I will select this track, Innovations in English Language Teaching with AI and INTESOL, and then click on Submit. Done. Okay, the system will send you an email confirming that we have seen an abstract, and you can see now if you scroll down, you will see your contribution to the conference, submission in the abstract areas. And now if I refresh, I believe I should see my contribution in the list. Okay, that's fine. Now if I check my email address, I should get another email from HUFLIT INTESOL conference saying, okay, we have received your abstract. Now your abstract needs to go through the abstract review process, and please allow the conference organizer some time to review your abstract. Once your abstract is reviewed, it will get an email notification. So okay, this is done for the abstract submission. Let me show you the next part. Okay, and this part is for reviewers only. Okay, now if you are given the reviewer permissions in the system, then when you log into the system, okay, let me log in to the system with a reviewer account. So username, password. All right. So now I am inside the system and I am given the reviewer permission. You can see that on the left menu of the conference, I have review area for abstracts and review areas for the paper too. But let's see, when I click on review area, I can see two abstracts waiting to be reviewed in this first track, innovation in English language teaching. So I click here, I click on the abstract, scroll down, and I see, okay, the abstract content, the keywords, the authors, the co-author, and who will be the speaker, and the comment from the author requiring good internet connection. Now, so as the reviewer, please click on this button, review, and also click on reviewing instructions. So each abstract gonna be reviewed on 4 criteria: relevance to the conference theme, clarity and coherence, originality and innovation, contribution to TESOL AI field. Now, please give each criterion a score, from 1 to 5, with 5 being excellent, and 1 being poor. All right. And then please give some comments in writing to the authors of the abstract. Okay, I like how the tools were developed. If you can scale up the sample size, the research finding will be stronger. Thank you. Right. So open-ended feedback or comment is possible in the text box. And then please propose an action, whether you accept, reject, you decided to change the track, or merge it with some other mark add duplicate. So I accept this abstract, and then I click click on submit review. Okay, and then you see the rating is here, my score here, and the author of the abstract gonna get an email notification of this review result. Let me check my email. Okay, it's not here yet. Not here yet. Oh, sorry. The authors only get email notification when the okay, conference organizer decided to accept, and we accept a proposal. Okay, after okay, having panel discussions. Let's say I accept okay this proposal. Okay, then the notifications gonna be sent to the submitter of the abstract. Now the abstract is accepted. Yeah, you see, HUFLIT INTESOL instantly send the authors, the co-authors announcement that okay, the abstract is now accepted. Okay, so this tutorial is for reviewers only. Okay, and that is okay, done for the abstract. Now, going back, okay, if you are the authors, your abstract is already submitted, accepted. Now you need to submit the full paper. Now, let me say this again. You can only submit your full paper after the abstract is accepted. So let me go back to the author account. Now I go to my author account, and now in my author account I can see my submissions. I can see that my abstract was accepted, and if I click on my conference and click on my contributions, I can see I contribute a paper and a presentation. Now to continue submitting my paper, please click on paper peer reviewing to submit my full paper for peer review. So I click here, paper peer reviewing, and you can see the deadline. Now please track, we may adjust the deadlines of the conference sometime. And you see the conference says you can now submit your full paper. Now please click on conference paper template and make sure that you lay out the your conference paper exactly like this template. Okay, so please use this template to lay out your paper. This saves a lot of time editing your paper. Okay, so I need to reformat this manuscript to make sure that it use the paper template of the conference. So let me put it in the download area for ready for submission. Now, so click on submit paper and select your manuscript. Now let me say this again. Please format your full paper using our paper template before submitting to the system. Failing to do so may lead to rejection. Okay, click on save the paper. And now you see I have successfully submitted my full paper for peer review. Okay, this is all you need to do as the authors. Okay, submitting your full papers and waiting for the review process. Now, okay, this part of the tutorial is for the paper reviewers only. So if you are requested to review the papers at the conference and you have already been given permission, please log in to the system with your account and now you should see in the paper reviewing section the reviewing area, the judging area. So I click on the review area and I see one paper waiting for my review, and okay, this was assigned by the conference organizer. The content review is pending, so I click here and then click on this button review. Please yeah, okay, review the paper according to the 7 criteria, and you can see the bubbles showing instructions for each criteria, and the paper will be given a score from -3, mean strongly disapprove, and okay, 3 mean strongly approve. Okay, yeah, give the conference organizer your opinion on each of these criteria, and then propose an actions, and you can also leave your comment to other reviewer and judges, and then submit your review. Okay, now if you are given permission to judge whether to accept a paper, like in this account, I also have permission to judge whether the paper should be accepted. Now usually, okay, after getting 2 reviews for each paper, we can give a decision. So if I click on accept, then I can judge that the papers were accepted. And okay, that's it. That is the end of the workflow. The authors of the paper now gonna get an email say, congratulations, your papers have been accepted, the full paper. So a typical workflow, you see, go through these steps. Okay, you get an email notification to verify your email, and then as the author, you submit the abstract. Your abstract gonna be reviewed, and if it is accepted, you get an email notification. Lastly, your you submit a full paper, and if your full paper are accepted, you will also get an email notification. Well, thank you for watching this tutorial for submitting your abstracts, your full paper to International TESOL Conference 2025. We very much look forward to seeing you at the conference. Thank you very much.